Hello friends, welcome back. In the previous lectures, we created only forms with class-based component, but in this case on React Hook Forms, we will create only functional component. So we can use hooks. So let's create a new file with the name React Hook Forms. Sorry, form.js. Okay. And as this is a functional component, so I will write RFCE and press tab. Okay. So this is a functional component. And here I will write the title as React Hooks Form. Okay, let's save this file, and now let's let's close this, and let's go to app.js and import react hook form from dot slash component slash react hook forms. Okay, let's save this, and here I will take one more row, class name equals to row, and margin top will be 5. Then I need to copy this. Okay, and I'll paste it. One second, let's copy it again, paste it here, and here I will add the form. Okay, so let's paste it here. Let's save this, and now let's go to the browser and check. So let me refresh. So right now we can see React Hook Forms, and here we need to add the form, but before that we need to go to Visual Studio Code and we need to install a package. So let's go to reacthookform.com and let's go to get started, and we need to install this. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, and let's go to Visual Studio Code, and we need to come to terminal, and here we need to stop it by pressing Ctrl C, and I'll paste it here, and I'll press enter. Okay, now let's go to reacthookform.js, and here we need to import use form and error message. Okay, from react hook form. Okay, let's save this. This is it for this video, and in the next lecture we will build the form template. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. If you like the video, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.